Hi, my name is Titanya, and these are your Wednesday Energy Minutes. Today I am going to share with you an exercise for the throat chakra, or the throat in general. Maybe you are somebody who has a lot of sore throats, or maybe you're just feeling vulnerable in your throat, or has even congestion coming up in your throat, or even a tickle, or maybe a hoarse throat. So you have lost your voice. Sometimes when you lose your voice, it's probably because you really want to say something and you feel like you're blocked in some way for speaking your truth. This is a good exercise for that too. Now, this exercise was created by my mother, Donna Eden. Donna Eden is energy medicine pioneer and health expert, and she is also a clairvoyant, so she sees energies. And when she sees the throat with people, she sees that there are 7 chambers here going up and down all the way around. And I've never heard anybody else talk about that before. And I just love that because it makes a lot of sense to me, because this is the messenger of our soul. We speak our truth here from our throat chakra. And so much of our stories from our chakras are coming up through the throat chakra in order to speak. And so sometimes it can be vulnerable. It can feel a little scary to speak your truth because all of your stories are wrapped up in all of those chakras. So this exercise helps clear out the area in order to speak your truth clearer. So let's do it. First, we're going to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Take your head to the side and crescent moon it to the other side, breathing in and breathing out. And again, breathe in and breathe out, coming back to where you started. And we're going to take your hands and we're going to stretch your neck from right here. We're going to breathe in and out. An inch on over towards the center of your throat. Breathe in and out. And again, in and out. And then just make your way over, in and out, in and out. And one more time, in and out. Yes, just stretching everything. I also like to take my hands and smooth at the back of my neck. Again, smooth down. And one more time. And now I want you to take your fingers and make little tiny angel pinches all over. And that is just to set the energy of opening up this space in your throat chakra. So from Southern Oregon, these are the mountains in Southern Oregon, and right over those mountains is California. And in 1848, in the gold rush, there was many Euro-Americans coming on over to find gold here in these hills, in the Rogue Valley. And the valley was so lush and the soil was so good that so many stayed here. And in 1859, Oregon became a state. Until next week, bye-bye.